If you are a member of a team plan, and your team administrator has configured the ScreenPal LTI plugin for Brightspace, you can embed ScreenPal content in assignments, discussion topics, and announcements. Begin by logging into Brightspace and opening a course. Click Content at the top of the page. Within the module to which you'd like to add content, click the Upload Create button. Select New Assignment or New Discussion. Enter a name for the assignment or discussion, and enter grading information if applicable. In the instructions box, click the Insert Stuff icon on the toolbar. Select the ScreenPal item with the deep linking label. If you are currently logged into your ScreenPal account, the ScreenPal content selection page is displayed within the Insert Stuff dialog. In this example, we'll select a video. Determine which options you'd like to make available for the embedded video. You can show or hide the video title, make captions available, hide or enable the player controls, which allow your learners to do things like skip through the video and change the playback speed. Display or remove the timeline icon on the player, which enables viewers to open the video timeline or transcript in the sidebar. Automatically begin playing the video when the page opens. And make your video background transparent rather than black. When you're ready, click Embed Video. Here, click Insert, and then click Save and Close. You'll then see the video embedded in the assignment. And this is what your students will see when they open the course module. Next, we'll insert a ScreenPal image into a discussion. To do this, simply repeat the previous steps for inserting stuff. When the ScreenPal content selection box is displayed, click Images. Click the image to include, and then click Embed Image. Click Insert. Enter text instructions for the discussion if you like, and then click Save and Close. If you'd like your students to view more than one video or image for an assignment or discussion, you can insert a ScreenPal channel. In the ScreenPal content selection box, click Channels. Click the channel you would like to add. Here, you can view all the videos that are currently in the channel. To proceed, click Continue. Select your preferred options. You can enable captions and allow your viewers to launch the channel recorder so they can add their own recordings to this channel. This option is only available if the Allow Users to Launch Recorder in Channel option is turned on for this channel. Finally, complete the steps to embed the channel. Students will then be able to watch all the videos in the channel from within Brightspace. With ScreenPal, you can have your learners record a video of their own as part of an assignment or discussion, without downloading the ScreenPal application, by embedding the channel recorder. Depending on your selection for recording method in the channel settings, students will launch a simplified version of the ScreenPal screen recorder, or use the online screen recorder to record a video and upload it to the selected channel. Students will not have the option to upload the video anywhere else. You can even choose to set all uploaded recordings to unpublished by default, so you can preview them before they are visible to others, and then publish them to the channel. To embed the channel recorder in D2L Brightspace, create an assignment or a discussion, and follow the steps to insert ScreenPal content. On the ScreenPal content selection box, click Embed Recorder. Select the channel to which your students' recordings will be uploaded upon completion. Click Embed Channel Recorder. Click Insert, and then click Save and Close. Students can then click this button to launch the screen recorder in the manner you configured in the channel settings. Record their videos and upload them straight to the channel you specified. For more about the channel recorder and how students can use it to record their own videos, check out our channel recorder tutorial. You can create quizzes in ScreenPal and add them to Brightspace. There are different ways to add a quiz to an assignment, depending on whether you want Brightspace to create a quiz entry in your gradebook only after students have taken the quiz, or as soon as you create the quiz, before your students complete it. For detailed instructions about how to add a quiz in Brightspace and sync your students' scores with your gradebook, see these 2 tutorials. Finally, you can add ScreenPal content to announcements in Brightspace to make them more fun and engaging. Just go to your course page and click Create an Announcement. Enter an announcement headline and any text you would like your students to see. Click the Insert Stuff icon and follow the same steps as before to select the ScreenPal image or video you'd like to include in the announcement. Here, click Publish. Students will see the announcement when they log into Brightspace, complete with any ScreenPal content you added to it. Engage every learner with ScreenPal.